Right, so I'm going to show you how to turn your own portrait into a cartoon or a sketch on the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So you want to go into your gallery and find any portrait. So for instance, let me try this one. Okay, so what you need to do is tap on the AI icon. You can see the stars right there. Tap on that, and that's going to open up the AI generative AI menu. So you want to go and select Portrait Studio, and under Portrait Studio you have the option to turn this portrait into a comic or a 3D cartoon or a watercolor or even a sketch. So you can choose what you want. So for instance, let's try 3D cartoon. So you want to tap on that and then tap on generate, and it's going to generate the 3D cartoon. So you can tap on show original and you can compare and see if Galaxy AI did a good job. If you don't like it, you can just hit back. If you like it, you can tap on save copy and it's gonna save a copy of that. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.